Hi, Kim. Hey, thanks for coming by. We're excited that PhysioU has been a part of your teaching. Would you share your name and what program you teach for?
My name is Dr. Kimberly Lemons. I'm a professor over at UNT Health Science Center, so up in Fort Worth. I teach the neuromodules for neuromuscular 1, neuromuscular 2, and motor control.
Awesome. And how have you used it in class? How have you been using, which apps and how have you used it?
We've used a lot of the PNF apps actually, as well as some of the more testing-based ones for neuroexam. Oh, the neuroexam, the neurosims are fantastic because we use that as primers in my class. So for them to look at how they're progressing with the neuro content, at the beginning, how did you test out, and then at the end, how did you test out? So there's immediate feedback with the simulations and how the students are doing with that. Likewise, too, being able to capture, like I said, I'm in love, absolutely in love with the PNF videos that you guys have. Being able to capture the three-dimensional movements of PNF so much better than the book, and the fact that they can just pull it up on their phone in the middle of some of the labs and really take an in-depth look, so they don't have to keep calling myself or one of the lab instructors or relying on each other for that. They have a very concrete, very specific module for them to look at.
How has this affected your burden, faculty burden? I find that when I'm using the apps that I'm just relieved that there's something there that I can always access. How has it affected your life as a faculty member?
It's made it so much easier and at the same time so much more involved because it is another resource to use. So pulling little pictures or pulling some of obscure videos or whatnot, it's a lot easier to find exactly what I want from your app. So it's made it a lot easier for me in that regard. But it's also made it a little bit more difficult because now I'm giving the students one more resource to look at. Yes, it's in addition to a book. Yes, it's in addition to this particular video. But the fact that you have it always accessible, I think has really helped them.
That's awesome. Hey, last thing, if you were to describe PhysioU in one word, what would you say?
Easy.
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 Awesome. That's what we strive to do.
Yep. Easy to use, easy to follow, easy to find, easy for the students to understand. So definitely easy.
That's awesome. Hey, thanks for letting us be a part of that journey with you and the students.
Really appreciate it.
All right, thank you.